Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about forecasting and estimating demand of materials in hospitals. What is meant by forecasting? Forecasting is the method of estimating demand for various components, medical supplies based on the time series analysis of past while anticipating the future. Forecasting is the method of predicting the demand for the future based on the past. The demands for materials could be certain or predictable and uncertain or unpredictable. Okay. To reduce the uncertainty about the future demand, we are using forecasting methods. There are some guidelines to use forecasting methods. Trends in consumption pattern during last 2 to 3 years are taken for consideration while estimating the demand for the future based on the objective of the hospital and the clientele is the number of claims they have, cyclic changes in epidemiological occurrences of diseases. So there are some diseases, okay, every year there are some diseases coming or they are dominating. Okay, so based on the cyclical changes, based on the type of diseases, the requirements of medicines and other medical supplies differ, so that must be taken into account. And resource constraint at present and existing stock position of medical equipments and other supplies in the hospital. And how to forecast the demand of various medical components and medical supplies for the future period of time. There are three methods we are going to discuss here: last period demand, arithmetic average and moving average. Okay, the last period method is also called as a naive forecasting. Naive forecasting assumes the demand in the next time period will be same as the demand in the last time period. For example, last month what is the demand for the material, so the same quantity of material will be demanded for the next month. Okay, so the last particular period of past what is the demand, and the same demand will be occur for the same period in the future. So this approach rules out all types of fluctuations, trends, seasonality, random variation and cycles. So that this is assumed the demand will be constant, there won't be any fluctuation in the demands for those materials. Then moving average, average method is for the last particular period of time what would be the average demand for the particular material. For the last 6 months the particular material what is the demand, so same the average value can be considered for the future. Okay, so moving average means last n months average is taken, for example last 3 months or last 6 months average. Okay, and for the next month again last 6 months, then for February only last 6 months. So the or say 3 months, it depends on the organization how many months they are considered. Normally 3 months moving average means last 3 months average is taken. For in order to determine the demand for the materials in the month of November, they take the average of a material demanded during September, August and July. Last 3 months average will be taken, so the average will be considered demand for the November. Then demand for the December will be calculated on the preceding 3 months. That means November, is November, October and September. For January it will be December, November and October, like that. So preceding 3 months are taken, the average is taken, that is considered as a demand for the next period of time. Okay, so this is called as a moving average forecasting method. So these are all mathematical calculation of identifying the demand for the various materials and medical supplies, okay, for the future period of time. Then standardization of demand. Standardization is grouping together items of similar specification or use or application. So in order to avoid duplication of inventory, the same material, similar material is maintained in two different inventory, or again and again ordering the same material, that the duplication can be avoided. And variety reduction, okay, economical purchase, okay, so can reduce the cost of purchasing and efficient use of materials. Okay, thank you.